It is currently 8:43 and I just woke up. It's raining outside. Other than that, it's a good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Look who came in. Got Mr. Thor over here. Torito. What you gotta say to the people, Torito? He's just about to take a nap, he said. Alright, he's about to take a nap. Anyway, so I got a package today in the mail, right? And I wanted to unbox it with you guys, of course, because I did my first unboxing video last video, right? And I ended up liking it, so I think I'm gonna do that every time I get new shippings, you know what I'm saying? But further than that, I hope you guys are good. You know, it's rainy morning. You guys wonder what I do on my weekends. Weekends is like, it's basically the same. I just keep working, you know, but it's more like a break, you know, like if I have to get something done, I'll do it. And so I don't have to get it like cross paths on my weekdays. But yeah, I don't recommend playing games a lot, you know, but I do be playing, you know what I'm saying, playing some GTA. Getting changed by the police. Look at all those police, man. If I unpause the game, I'm gonna die. Die, motherfucker. Oh, no. I forgot I need to get ready. Got this shirt off Shane, it's already peeling. He said burnout was too much, too hot. It burnt him out the TV. So I'm about to show you how we get done here and editing and stuff. So I'm about to change this shirt. I'm about to be a full magician. Check this out. Ready? I look too plain. I need something for my hair. And for the people who hasn't seen Superbad, go watch it right now. Got my Carhartt hat. About to throw it on real quick. You guys better be like, yo, why you have your Carhartt, your beanie on if you're not even outside? It's because I have rubber bands and I don't always want to use rubber bands. Instead, I want to wear a hat. In this occasion, I'm wearing a beanie. I could get the Domino's swag too, you know what I'm saying? Domino's swag. Domino's, if you've seen this is a free promotion. So every time I come into that Domino's spot, I expect a free pie. And I just remember, shout out to my little brother. He got me Naruto ramen. Naruto ramen. I think he had left some rare potato chips for me, crab chips. But someone ate them. One more thing before we get into this unboxing video is that I try to help people, right? I know some people feel like they're trapped working at a job or something. They feel like they can't do something. The reason you feel that way is because you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. What you're supposed to be doing is your purpose. Purpose is you use the resources that you have around you, right? What is something that you love doing, that you enjoy doing, that you know you wouldn't mind doing? I don't want anybody to think that I'm saying anything and then it's like, oh, easy for him to say, because it's really not. But at the end of the day, if you apply the steps and make a plan, you'll get to the game, bro. Find your purpose, you know. Everybody got a purpose. Some people just don't find it. We get lost in certain situations and we can't even think about it no more. If you take like at least a minute of your day to just sit down and think about all of this. But anyways, let's proceed with this unboxing video. Nike did give me a different box, but it's the ones that you could just open up, you know. Old box, you would have to like open just like that. I love these boxes though, I'm like that. But this one, you just don't gotta like, you just open it, it's cooler, you know. A new box to the collection. And I'm not even talking about the shoe, I'm talking about the box. You guys better zoom in and watch my whole address, but let's go ahead and open the box. Thank God it's not one of these boxes that you gotta cut open, you know, because Nike is professional. Everybody take a look what's inside. I'm gonna start by opening it from here. So off the bat, you see all of that right there. box, man. Oh, I just flashed my whole address and all of that. You guys didn't see nothing though. I like when it's just funny because it's a long box. It's like it's probably the same length. It's just like, look at that. Nike SB purple box. Shout out Nike, yo. I love these boxes. I like when they come up with the creative boxes and stuff, like for real. And I'm very happy to have these on hand. Thank you, Nike. Thank you. I really never seen this. Like I always get surprised when I get these shoes because going from like regular Jordans, you know, like that's why I used to get Jordans. You see like the rare ones. Then you went to like the ones that were like collaborated. I didn't even know about the shoe game like that. Because in my last unboxing video, I explained like my situation with shoes. Jordan too, like their boxes was crazy. When I used to buy flights, like I remember that Jordan used to, like the flight box used to have like the Jordan's thumb on the side. And I used to think that was fire because I used to like really put my thumb on, measure the size of my thumb. I never owned Dunks. I never even knew about that style till now. I only stuck to Jordans back then, but being in the dunk world is really, really cool in my opinion. Really amazing, cool to see. I would really have it like, see it on my shelf, you know, about to get them, use them. Something I wouldn't really wear every day. But for that, I would really get like some dailies. Like I got E-wings for dailies, you know. I like to take care of my shoes, but I like to style them. I have Dia de Muertos coming up, and I really thought those were cool too because they have the ones and the dunks too. The dunks look fire, and the ones, yo, Nike, you guys are doing a good job of Halloween. They got the wooden paper, right? And as you fold it off, oh, it came with a sticker too. I forgot to show you guys. It comes with a sticker. I think it glows in the dark. I don't know. I gotta check. It is not glow in the dark. I don't know why. I thought it would smell like something, but it did have, because these are made out of suede. They're like fur suede. I mean, what is it called? Rug. It's called rug. A rose. Let's just say suede. It's made out of suede, and I can see suede all over the sticker already. But yo, the color is amazing. Like right there, you can already see the Nike sign and like the color of it. So this is what you're gonna see right here. Sticker. SB, man. Nah, shout out to Nike. But yeah. Boom. Right there. You know, when I look at them, they kind of remind me of the orange lobsters. And the texture is definitely cool. The sole is like sand, you know. A really cool October color. If I take them out for everybody to see, you know, they're really eye-catching to me. Yeah, like when I saw them, I got the last ones I had the last ones that came out. It was the emerald ones. Yeah, I feel like they're a collection. I definitely had to get this one because I got the other ones, I hit on them, and then I saw these ones and I'd be like, wouldn't it be cool to be able to hit on these ones too? Really cool, you know, suede. Feel it. It's like a little rug. I like the sole for real though. It's like sand. Like I don't know why it reminds me of Minecraft for some reason. In my opinion, the box and the sole match. Like they're almost the same purple. To match these, I think I would wear like black pants, and I think this shirt will fit too. So I would wear these with this fit, basically. I don't know, got a little shirt, orange shirt, purple shirt. You can't go wrong with black, you know. White sheet tees, like you already know white and black is already like a base color that you can match with anything. But other than that, it's really cool. If I had the other dunks that I had on, I would have showed you guys. Like, you be doing some great job making these. I definitely wouldn't wear these all the time though. It's just one of the shoes I wouldn't want to mess up like that. My ratings would be a 8 or a 9, to be honest. I definitely have these in my shelf though, for real. Nice shoe, nice shoe. Nike, you did a great job, man. Last time I hit on the Montreal bagels, right? I think they still have like a size left. I don't know which size. I think like size 4, 7. They keep coming back though. Like 1 pair, 2 pairs always get returned, and they end up sitting. But I definitely hit on some bagels, and it was cool because the inside had wood, and then it was like the bagels on the outside. I definitely like the food ones. The food ones be the funniest and coolest ones in my opinion. I hope Nike, you're seeing this. Please let me hit on future shoes. I'm just joking, but yeah, I really have fun getting these. And if you like these videos, the unboxing videos, you can hit like, and I'll keep doing it. But it's cool, man. Yeah. Back to the noodles though. I really got a craving, and I wanted to see what. I would shout this out, whatever this is, but my brother said he got it in a store downtown, and shout out to that store, Manhattan. You know, I guess it's like exotic foods and stuff. We got noodles and stuff. Shout out to my brother because he got me exotic snacks, like they had crab flavored Lay's, right? He had shrimp flavored Lay's, and he got me this exclusive for me, Pieroncino. It shows that it got eggs, meat, corn. So it's like a mini bowl, you know what I'm saying? I'm really looking forward to making this. Open it up real quick. Guys, right now. Struggling a little bit to open these up. I can't open it. Damn. It's just one big. You guys just gonna put a whole you gonna, where's all of this, man? Where's the egg? Where's the meat? Where's the, you just gonna sit here, put a piece of plastic and just dump a whole circle? What am I supposed to do with this? At least it came with the egg better be in there, man. Like the egg better be in there. Nah, but we still gonna try it though. So I'm about to take this to the microwave real quick. We're gonna see like what happens. Maybe it magically appears from there. I'm back now with the egg on the noodles because it was no topping. Steamy hot. They are thick, you know, noodles. They didn't really come with seasoning. It came with sauce, but it was a little like fishy flavor. Not really a fan. Sapot Goya. Tiene que ser bueno. They are good though. They are good. But 1 out of 5, I'll give it a 3. It doesn't beat Maruchan though. So that soup was actually bust. I'm sorry for the mess, but I had gone outside earlier. But I'm back now. It's already late outside and got me playing Minecraft. If you haven't check out my gaming, my YouTube, MX Chino. I'm acting like this is not the page, but I'm about to just end the video here real quick. I didn't really have much to talk about. But back to what I was saying earlier. If you feel like you're having trouble being stuck in a spot, it's because you haven't really known your purpose. You got to take a moment out of your life to see what is it from your life that you feel like you have a purpose of. Make a plan, and I promise you that in a few years, that plan will grow like a seedling. I appreciate you guys for still watching. This was an unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good weekend, because I sure am. And I'm about to enjoy my night. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.